Hello folks, quick video just to show you that this here iMac from 2004 is no longer an iMac from 2004. It is a repurposed battery charger. Yep, that's all it is, and it may look the same, but of course it's now got a solar panel in there, a gizmo that connects it to the battery, and I can tell you that it's now churning out 10.7 volts, which is lovely on a cloudy day in the summer in the UK. Oh, and we've also added, whether it will work or not, yes, we've got a little LED array inside the gizmo to make it a little bit more entertaining. Anyway, there you go. If you want information on how this was done, more than happy to ask us below. Cheers!